Hi, everyone. Lonnie, New West Lending. I've got my friend Eve here from Realty Executives. We've got a big open house this weekend. We want to tell you about it. Eve, what time are we going to be there? Where are we going to be?
Yeah, so super excited to share this awesome house with you in the desirable community of North Encanto in Central Phoenix. So we'll be there this Saturday from 10:30 to 1 and Sunday from 10 to noon. The house is at 1730 West Mulberry, and it's a beauty, and I'm excited to share it with you.
Any exciting things about the house that make it really nice?
Yeah, so I love a lot of things about this house, but one that I think will really appeal to a lot of people, especially with our work from home environment, is the oversized split master, which is big enough to have a comfortable home office inside the room. And that bedroom has French doors that overlook the yard. So as you're working, you can look out in your beautiful yard and feel some serenity while you're on your Zoom call. So I think that's just one of the things that and the yard and the pool. And it's in a great community, super close to a lot of things. So it really has a lot to offer.
Perfect. Okay, come and see us tomorrow. We'll see you guys all there. Thanks. Bye.
Hope to see you soon.